Hey champs, Jimmy Mahalik here. I actually woke up today to a crazy announcement from Amazon. Amazon is actually shutting down a significant part of their FBA fulfillment services. It's crazy. Nobody could have ever expected this. In fact, let me jump over to the computer and I'm going to show you the exact announcement from Amazon. Okay, so here's the announcement from Amazon. It says that they're temporarily prioritizing products coming into Amazon FBA fulfillment centers. We're closely monitoring the developments of the illness that's going around and impacting our customers. We are seeing an increased online shopping, and as a result, some products such as household staples and medical supplies are out of stock. With this in mind, we are temporarily prioritizing household staples, medical supplies, and other high demand products coming into our fulfillment centers so that we can more quickly receive, restock, and deliver these products to customers. For products other than these, we have temporarily disabled shipment creation, and we are taking a similar approach with retail vendors. This will be in effect today, which is March 17th, actually St. Patrick's Day, through April 5th, 2020. And we will let you know when we resume regular operations. Shipments created before today will be received at Amazon fulfillment centers. Learn more about this on our help page. And we understand this is a change to our business. We did not take this decision lightly. In fact, we are working around the clock to increase capacity. And yesterday's announcement, we are adding 100,000 new full and part-time positions into our Amazon fulfillment centers across the USA. So one, this is crazy news. Nobody could have expected this. So the reason they're doing this is because their fulfillment centers are probably fuller than normal because all the Amazon sellers are shipping their goods in, knowing that things are going crazy with the illness that's spreading around, and a lot more people are shopping online. Think about it. If people are at home and they're being forced to work from home, or they're laid off from their jobs, or they just don't want to go out in public, how do they get their goods? How do they get all the things they want to buy for their house and their family? They're going on Amazon. So Amazon is actually seeing a spike in sales. More and more people are going to be shopping on Amazon. So number two, this is a temporary problem. So this is only going to be a restriction from Amazon for about 2 weeks. And this is pretty much so that they can catch up on all the stuff that they've run out of supplies. I mean, grocery stores are running out of toilet paper. Amazon's running out of stuff too. This is so they can catch up and prioritize those things. In the big scheme of things, this doesn't affect your Amazon business at all. It's 2 weeks out of 1 year, okay? And really, you just need to keep pressing forward. This is a great time to learn about Amazon. This is a great time to press forward and do all the other things in your business that you're working on. Any shipments that were already created before this can be sent into Amazon, no problem. And in fact, I think Amazon is going to come out stronger after this because Amazon's seeing a spike in sales right now from everybody, ordering their stuff online and not wanting to leave the house. But I think as a lot more people get used to ordering on Amazon more and more, they're just going to do that all the time. So me and my wife, we order stuff on Amazon almost every single day, and every day we just get packages at our house, and we work from home, so we're just getting packages delivered to us and don't even need to leave. And in fact, as we just said, Amazon is hiring 100,000 new workers to work in their fulfillment centers and to be able to ship products going out faster and even going forward. These aren't just temporary jobs. So what does this mean for your Amazon FBA business? So one, it's just a temporary setback, and I have just kind of learned throughout my 20 years of being a full-time entrepreneur that this kind of stuff happens. I don't want to say all the time, but I'm just kind of like used to it. So, there's always setbacks in business. There's always delays. It's just kind of like everyday life to me kind of nowadays. And you just then focus your efforts on working on another part of your business. Like I have a to-do list it's constantly, there's always things to do. So if I can't send in a shipment right now and I have to wait 2 weeks to send in a shipment, That's okay. I'll just work on the next two or three, four or five things in my business that I happen to be working on at any given time. And for a lot of you new Amazon FBA entrepreneurs, people who want to start a business, just continue your learning education, because learning and knowledge is really the entire game when it comes to Amazon. The more you know, the more you can make, okay? And the great thing about this is that I work from home. Every day, my Amazon products are making me sales. I don't have to leave the house. I literally have left the house like one time in the last 10 days to go to the grocery store, and Amazon's delivering everything else. I don't need to leave the home at all if I don't choose to. So that is one of the absolute amazing perks on Amazon, is that you can make money from home. Now, it's a business, so you need to spend time working on that. If you have no money at all right now and you need a temporary job or a short-term to medium-term job, then go work for Amazon in one of their fulfillment centers with the 100,000 people that they're hiring. But if you want to build a business, this is a great time to learn, because Amazon is going to surge and be going up, and more people are going to be ordering from Amazon going forward, because they're going to be used to ordering on Amazon. The more they're used to doing it, they're just going to keep ordering on Amazon. When they realize they order some on Amazon and it gets shipped to them the very next day, and somebody like me or you gets the commission, gets the sales, gets the profits from that order. So let me know down below in the comments what you think of this current situation and how it's going to affect you as a seller, and how you think it's going to be going forward. So if anything, Amazon sales are going to continue to increase, and there's going to be more people with their Amazon FBA business making more money over the long run, over the next year or two and going forward. So now is actually a great time to get your learning process in and start learning everything you need to know. Somebody who makes $1 million a year on Amazon and somebody who's just starting on Amazon, the only difference is their knowledge, okay? They just know every single thing to do, where when you're starting out, you might not know that. So if you're new to Amazon FBA, the first thing you should do is watch my Amazon FBA free training over here. That'll point you in the right direction. And I have another YouTube video over here you can watch also. Thanks, guys, and I will see you in the next video.